Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Frost Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in frostbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Frost Bank website. Now from the homepage, you can click on open an account if you don't already have one, or click on the login button to log into your profile. Now, once you're within the login page, type in your username within the username section, and within the password box, you will need to type in your account password. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password button underneath the password box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Frost Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.